In this video, I'm going to show you how you can order a Cash App card. So this is the button right here for the Cash App card on your main screen of Cash App. So just select it. Then you should be faced with this: meet the Cash Card, customizable, no hidden fee, instant discounts. So it is for ages 13 plus. You can read through all of this. You will get discounts. You can draw on it and bank with it and round up with it. So after you have read through this, all you gotta do is click on get free cash card, and it will take you to this page where you can actually choose your style. Now many people choose the pink Cash App card, but it's out of stock right now. So right here you can see how much each Cash App card costs. So if you want black metal, that's gonna be $50. If you want to glow in the dark, that's going to be $5. But for example, let's take this one, mood, $5. So right here you can customize or personalize the card. So if you select this, it will open up a new window and you can draw on it, and basically it will arrive like this. You can customize whatever you have on it, or if you just want to order it like so and don't want to customize it, you can click on order card. And right here is where you will put in your address. So after you have put in your address, then the card will take approximately 1 to 2 weeks to arrive, and I have a video on how you can track it. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.